Dubai, most people don't realize it's full zero tax, and they're like, no, I don't get it. But what's the no, there's no stipulation. It is 0% corporate, 0% dividend, and 0% income. So the best part is I can go to Dubai, I can clean 50 million, be left with 50 million, and I can return back to UK with 50 million to 100 million, whatever the number is, you know, in the next 5 years, and then never pay tax on that ever again.
And in this like internet game, you can build the same business from Dubai as we can build here.
Yeah, and that's cool, but I will tell you that when I moved to Puerto Rico for the 4% tax rate, what they usually don't tell you is you have to give up your family, your friends, your loved ones. There are the stipulations. You have to be in the actual city for X amount of time, or you have to own a certain property, and that's all fine. So for example, in that situation, if you live close to Dubai and you prefer to live in Dubai, you're winning, right? But if your family is, say, in England and you have to go there just to save a little bit of money on tax, I actually think that's a terrible mindset, because instead of thinking about how I make more, you're thinking about how I can save more. And very affluent people don't need to go to places where they get tax savings or tax shelters. They just make more damn money.